Hi friends. So last week we came to the same place. This is the Pismo Preserve, and we are coming here as a second episode kind of a thing. Last week we did a trial. We started from Lone Oak, and we covered that Lone Oak, and then we started to spring. And at a particular point we stopped and we thought, okay, it is a long trial to cover the whole spring to spring. So we took a cut to the parking, and today again we are back to the same spot. We wanted to cover rest of the spring to spring trial and see how that is. It is really sunny. It is not like last week we had a lot of fog when we came. Today we can see the sea much better than what we saw last time. So the climate is so good. It is not that hot. It is normal, and it is a good time for going through the trials. So let me show you this map. If you see here, we are here. This is very near to the restroom, and from here last week we tried this route, and we went through this Lone Oak blue color trail. We tried this. We went through this Lone Oak trail. We went to the top, and from there I think we took the spring to spring, and we came to this particular spot. In this spot we decided, okay, we had to go to spring furthermore, but from here it was a easy walk on the road, low road, to the parking spot. So we covered this route last time. It was so nice. It was very nice. We covered that, and today what we are going to do is we are starting from here, the place here, and we will go through the low road back, and we'll touch this spot where it will meet the spring to spring, and we'll try to start from here. It is not that big like what we did last time. So the spring to spring we are going to cover this spot. We will come through all these area, and then we will come through the entrance. And when we come to the Pismo Preserve, there is an entrance. There is a trail that ends. So we will come through this place and come to this spot where we are now. So that is a whole plan today. So that means we are completing. Last week we had one kind of a video where we covered on the right the trail on the right, and now we are going to cover the trail on the left. So that is our plan. So let's go. There are more other trails that we can discover here. We can go through here, but this is our second video. We will try to cover other trails in the coming days. Some of the trails are really closed. We cannot go. So that is where we are trying to go to those trails which are open for public to walk through. And it is really fun. It is really fun walking in these areas. It is very easy, very cool, and nothing hard. So anybody who is in San Luis Obispo or near this Pismo Preserve, please, if you get to watch this video, you can see the spots where we walk through, and you can also come here and enjoy the weekends or weekdays whenever you find time. So enjoy, and if you like the video, you should always I would request you to subscribe and put your feedback, and on the way we will talk about something that we see on the way. So it will be nice, and I have today Abhay with me, and myself and Abhay is going to walk on these tracks. So Abhay, let's go. So here we have the restroom. This is a very good restroom, very neat and clean. As I mentioned, maybe the possibility is this is kind of a newly created trial. So it is really maintained well. This Pismo Preserve is maintained very nicely. It has a very good restroom, and from there we can start off for the rest of our trial. So it is very good. And there are a lot of names written here. I don't know what is the reason behind that. There are a lot of names, all those things. So it is nice. I don't know what does it mean. as I told last week, you can see the highway and you can see the beach very clearly today. So it is nice to see this area. So normally if we go through this way, we can take all the Lone Oak and Spring to Spring, and we can come through this way. This road is a two-way road. That is what my understanding is. It's a two-way road. We can start from here also. We can come back to the same road. But most of the other trails are all one-way trails. So we start from here and we can go the whole trail. We cannot go on the other way around because it is not a two-way trail. It is all one-way trail. So people start from here and they can come here, or they can we can go through these and come through the other way. So these are the few things that we learned on these particular trails. So last week we started from here. Now we are going through this way.
I feel like not.
Yeah, let's so let us catch after some time, Abhay.
Hi.
How are you feeling, Abhay?
I'm feeling good. So far, we went down this really steep road, and it took like 5 minutes. It's not that long. I remember the other way took like around like 45 minutes to an hour. It was a very long time. And right now we're at Spring to Spring Road. I'm not really out of breath. My dad definitely is.
Why? Do you think it is because the road is good, or
No,
is
it's
it
like very steep.
very steep?
Yeah.
Okay, so this, though it says low, what is it called? Low road?
Yeah,
Though it is low road, it is very steep
yeah.
to climb up this. And
Last time we came from that way.
yeah, last time we came through this route,
Yeah.
and we came down.
And there's a
We came
trail
here
up there.
and we went up the hill. We wanted to go up the hill, but then we thought, okay, we'll stop here last time and we'll
Yeah.
go down to the parking. But now, what are we going to do?
Oh, we're gonna walk up here and then find out on the way what's gonna happen next.
Yeah, we'll now
There.
explore the Spring to Spring and complete the Spring to Spring trail, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Over there is the Spring to Spring.
Yeah, this is the, when we stopped last time, we came through this bridge and we stopped here. We took this route and then we went down to this. Now we are going to take this route to Spring. Ready? Shall we go?
Yeah.
Okay. I think these kind of roads are cool for walking, right?
Yeah.
Last time
There might be a
also,
lot of downhill.
what's that?
Once we go up this part, there might be a lot more downhill than downhill.
Yes, last time when we were walking on the trails, we never felt tired, right?
Yeah.
And last time the climate was also not this bad. Last 2 days, the climate is so bad.
It's not that bad right now.
Yeah, it was hot and it was
This is what you
smoky.
wanted, right? This is what you wanted?
Yeah,
You said you wanted the sun.
yeah, I wanted sun. It will give a better view, right?
I don't really care about the view. I just want to like be cold while walking.
You want to feel cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the map, there's a lot of zigzags going to when we're going down this way,
Uh-huh.
and we're gonna end up on the other side of the parking lot, which we came from.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a good spot. Right? Or the next direction, to spring.
I think that might be a car road, so.
I think that blue line, blue arrow.
Oh, I think that's right.
I think we
gotta
should
go straight.
spring to spring there.
That's the quickest road to the
Quickest road to parking, so we don't have to take that.
probably not that fast either.
Yeah, we have to go through this way. Right?
Actually, no, wait.
So, bye.
No.
Come on. Tell me. How do you feel?
You tell me.
I feel so good because till now it was so nice walking and not at all tiring. You see here, there are a lot of trees, right? Lot of trees. We are just walking near to the under the trees. No sun, all shade. Very cool. We can even sit here and have some lunch, right? Very
No.
cool climate.
Snakes here.
But
I wouldn't.
I don't think so. There are snakes here.
There is.
Snakes would be there, but I don't think so.
I still wouldn't do it. They're
But
probably
it's a
hiding
very nice and calm
There's so
and
much
cool.
leaves. They would just hide under the leaves and attack you.
Yeah. But it is so nice. It's so cool, right?
Yeah.
I think maybe after this we'll see a lot of sun. But it is really good, right?
Yeah.
Look, I don't know whether that trail goes up there. Look, there are trail up there, or there is a trail down there. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
There's up there also and down. I don't know where we will go. Let's see. But it is nice to walk. Okay, now we are again back to sun. Look at the trails there. I think we have to go all up, and then there are a lot of trails we have to go down.
Yeah.
Right? I think it is really good.
Oh, it's really hot right now.
I don't feel like it is hot, but it is nice to have this sun.
No, it's not.
But it is nice, like it is sunny, and sometimes we come under the trees, so it is back to shade and cool. So it is so nice. So again here, Discovery is up and down is Spring. So we'll go to the Spring, right?
No, spring to spring is that way.
Is it that way?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the down.
I think we should go to Discovery though.
If we go here, Discovery is up. Okay,
But,
Spring is there and
oh,
Spring
I
is
think I
down.
have to- oh, yeah.
Spring is this way, right?
Yeah.
Discovery is up. Discovery is the longest trail, I believe.
Really?
It is the longest trail in Pismo Preserve. So today we will try and complete spring to spring. Fine?
Yeah. There's a road over there.
Yeah. We have covered almost 30-40 minutes in these trials. It was so nice. We took a small short break. There was a bench there. We took a small break there. It was so nice. And then we were just walking on the way. We reached this spot, and I just want to show you how close we are near to the sea. And you can see the one-on-one from here. This is our parking spot. We can see our car because our car is red. We can see our car from here, and you can see the vehicles going on one-on-one. You can see the beach. You can see, I think it's the Pismo Pier. That's a Pismo Pier that you can see from here, and the sea, ocean also we can see so nicely from here. Last week we were not able to see that clearly because of the fog, but today we are able to see the fog so nicely. So not fog, we can able to see the sea so nicely. So it's a very nice climate, sunny weather. So it's so good, and we have been enjoying our walking all this time. You can see the bench that we took the rest on. That is
Yeah,
the bench.
I already showed it.
You already showed that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is really good, and you can see the buildings. Okay. So you can see all the buildings there. There are a lot of houses on the near to the beach. So we can see all those things from here very nicely, very clearly. So it's a very nice view. So I enjoy, and Abhay, I hope you also enjoy this whole walking, right? Do you enjoy, Abhay?
Yeah.
I think it should take another 10 more minutes, hopefully to complete the whole trial. Right?
Probably 20.
Probably 20. This is the first time we are coming here, so I don't know. I'm just giving a guesstimate. You say 10, I say 10 minutes, you are saying 20 minutes. Let's see how soon we are going to reach there. Okay? So let's see who is going to win that challenge. Huh? Right, Abhay?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, look at that, Abhay. From here, whole view of Shell Beach. That is Shell Beach, right? You see that?
Yeah, it's a great view.
It's a great view, right? And look at the rock on the Shell Beach. Do you see the rocks on the Shell Beach?
Yeah.
Oh, you can take a view from here, Abhay. Go on the road. Wow, what a beautiful. Come here, come here. See the full view, my man. The one-on-one, the buildings, Shell Beach. You have a good view of the whole thing, right?
Yeah, it's a view of everything.
Right? You can see everything. You can see the Shell Beach there. You can see the park, which is near to the Shell Beach. You can see all the buildings on the other side of the one-on-one, and this side of the one-on-one you can see the buildings. Wow, what a beauty, right?
Yeah.
So nice. Come, let's go. And you see that rock? There are a lot of birds. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Lot of birds, lot of birds. It is so nice, right? You feel lot of, what to say, you feel like you have got something different. Your eyes, everything have a good feeling, right? After seeing all these things.
Yeah, there's a good view right here.
Yeah.
But
Very nice. I think we should one day we should go through that places, because that is maybe the discovery trials. Let's do that one day. Maybe next time. So here we have seen a good spot here where we can come and sit. I don't know what is the purpose of this good spot. So this is a very good spot that we can come and sit and enjoy. and watch all the places, the beach and the sea, everything. We can very well watch these places. So it is so nice. You see here, we are seeing the beach. So it's a very good view from here, and we can take some rest here on this rock. I don't know what is the purpose of that rock. I see pieces of the rock here. You see here, there are some pieces of the rock here. I don't know. There's a pillar kind of thing, but I don't know where it fits on this rock. But it's a good view. So it's to sit and relax here, right, Abhay?
Yeah, it feels nice.
And the wind is also good, and we can see all the beaches and rocks in the sea and the Shell Beach, everything. Very nice view from here. So those who come here on these trails, it is a very well paid walking. You will enjoy walking, and also you enjoy taking a good exercise on the weekend. So please do come and enjoy this beauty. Come on, Abhay, let's go. So we are almost there. We are almost completing our trial. We are almost near to our parking lot where we parked our car. I think we'll be almost maybe another 5 minutes we will reach our spot. So Abhay, as you mentioned, you might have won the bet, right? I told 10 minutes, you said 20 minutes. I think we have walked more than 10 minutes now, right, Abhay? So we have walked more than 10 minutes from the spot where I was talking about the rock, and we have to complete a little bit more, maybe another 5 minutes to complete our trial. Abhay, come fast. I think if you take this turn, I think we are done.
Yeah.
I think this is the last turn. So we have almost covered today's trial, So as we mentioned, we took the low road. This low road, we covered this low road. We went here. This is the place for spring to spring. There was one point here to go to Vemino's trial, but we didn't take that. We went up here. This is spring to spring. We started from here. We got a good trial here. We were able to see a very good views from the top. It was so wonderful. And we came here. There was a path to go to Discover, but we didn't go that way. We went through this path and came back here. This is the spot where we are now. We have a very good board to explain this, and it was a very good walking exercise. The climate was not that bad. So as I told in the beginning, those who are nearby to this Pismo Preserve, please do come here. It is a very wonderful walking trail. You will enjoy walking with your family, yourself, or if you are coming with your family, you will definitely enjoy. If you are coming with the family, you will have a lot more people to talk, enjoy the views, enjoy the sun, enjoy the climate. You will have a wonderful walking experience. So please do come. It's a very good open space. It's a very good open space. So please do come and enjoy and have a good health. We are almost there. We are just heading towards the exit. As I mentioned, in this trail, there is a lot of places. They are given a very good directions. So you will not get lost in the trail. The directions are very nice. So this is a one-way trail, which means like you cannot go this way. It is clearly written there, do not enter. There are very clear directions showing that you should not enter to a particular spot. So it's a clear one-way trail. So it is very nice. So this is the exit to the trail. We cannot come this way. This direction is not allowed. This is the exit. There is a board very clearly written not to come through this way. So it is so nice, and you will definitely enjoy the view. From the top, and it's a very good walking experience. And Abhay, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Next week there is a small trail. What is it called, Abhay?
Veminos.
It's a smaller trail.
Veminos Canyon.
Yeah, it's a smaller trail. So we will try to come here. At least like an hour if you walk, it is good. And keep yourself healthy. So it is very good. And this is also a horse riding trials. So I don't know, like anybody who has horse, they can very well come and ride here. It is clearly written that you can bring horses here for into this trial. So please do enjoy and keep yourself healthy. This is a situation where we want to keep each one of you healthy. So please enjoy, have fun, be healthy. We are almost near to the exit. This is the place where we exit this trail. From the low road, and this direction is called the high road. So we came down through the high road. So look here, all places they have very good board of the direction showing where to go and what to do, and it is very clearly said that it is a one-way trail. Do not enter through this road. So all directions are very good, and yeah,
It's very clear.
very clear, right?
Yeah.
And we never had any problem. So thank you all for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video if you like the video. Thank you very much.